Yes. Now, this idea, right? How can you use high pressured steam, right, that actually heats water? Yes. So that you could use it as a radiant floor heating? Yes. So as to control the actual temperature of the hotness of the backside of the fire retardant brick. What if you made a big one? And instead of it being 2,000 degrees, you use it as a way, yes, of removing all impurities off of wood products. Yes. Now, depending on the actual pressurization of the pressure of the hot air blowing into the water tank, yes, it could be very high pressure. Oh. Now we have tons and tons and tons of railroad ties, telephone poles, this whole idea of making up bullshit. Now, for those homeowners that don't have the money to afford radiant floor heating, I'm thinking that there is a way to heat very large buildings, right, using very low voltage, right, and using hot air as insulation, yes, and it does provide hot water, yes, at approximately 100 to 120 degrees. The problem is the individual residents. What do you do with the additional pressurized water because of well, you'd have to release it. Oh. Now, as much as you dislike this, no, listen, no. Let's say you're in Saudi Arabia. The sun comes up in the morning and it goes down at night. The temperature of the hot air above the building between the roof and the top floor, yes, is just enough heat so as to push the hotness of the sun off of the building, right? You can actually control it, right? But then you have to be able to cool. Well, there's a possibility that you might have to waste the steam. Yeah. Now I thought you could put it through the toilet. You could have a bubbling toilet, but what if you forgot to flush the toilet? You could put it into the sewer system. Why would you want to pressurize your sewer system so as to kind of blow hot steam into the sewer system, keeping it would prevent sewage? No, listen, okay. I have I have this hot air. Yes, I blow it into the actual hot water tank. I circulate it in radiant floor heating. Yes, but I have to release the steam because only a certain percentage of it can be used. Yeah. As much as you wouldn't want to pressurize your sewer system, yeah, there is a very low probability that you will ever have a sewage leak. A leak, yes. Now let's say the steam, yes, of each and every one of these. What if the sewer system had hot steam blowing through it, blowing the actual human nutrient to? Well, if it doesn't go into the sewer system, yes, it'll have to come out of the top of the house, and at those temperatures, probably 200 to 300 degrees steam. Yes. What would happen is it would attract the cold in the winter time, and it would increase the heat above the actual residence in the summertime. Now, during the spring and fall, not a whole lot would happen. Now, this thought of using high temperature steam above the roof, no, no. Well, as an insulator, yes, to the actual coolness of the resin. See, you have hot air underneath the roof, yes, but you have this layer of high hot.